Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make landscape animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, welcome back, and in this video I will show how to make fake parallax with null object. And first one, let's create new null object. Let's right mouse, new and null object. Let's change name fake camera. So select these all layers without sky. Let's link to fake camera. And in this time, let's select this fake camera. Let's press S, make scale keyframe, and go to 8 seconds. Let's press N for select work area. And let's change scale like this. Let's see timing. Okay, let's go to last keyframe. Let's change 120. Okay, so in this time, let's lock sky layer. This is background blue layer. And select these first layers, left 3. And press P, make new pattern keyframe. Go to here. And let's move to left. Let's see. Okay, this is fake parallax. And select this light 3, press P, make new pattern keyframe, go to last keyframe. Let's move to right. Let's see. We can move to right more, like this. Okay, looks good. Let's select this T1 and link to T body. Select this T1, go to solo. Okay, we can change scale. But select this T body. Let's link to layer ground. Select ground, let's see. And select this layer ground. Let's press P, make new pattern keyframe, go to last keyframe, move it down like this. Let's see. Okay. So select this body. Let's zoom to here. And go to first second. Let's go to solo. Select this wheel 2, go to solo, and wheel 1, go to solo also. And select these two wheels. Let's link to body. Select this body, press P, make new pattern keyframe, and go to last keyframe. Let's move to right. Let's unsolo. Let's animation. Okay, select these two pattern keyframes. Let's move to down. Okay, select last keyframe. Let's move to left for low speed. And select this wheel 1 and wheel 2. Press R. Make rotation keyframes. Go to last keyframe. Let's change these 3. Let's see. Okay, looks good. So right now let's select this layer body and let's link to ground. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So let's close these keyframes like this. And in this time select this mid 1 and let's select this mill 2, link to also ground. Select this mill 2. Let's zoom to here and go to first second. Press R, open rotation, make rotate keyframe. Go to last keyframe, change 4. Let's see. Okay, this is very fast. Let's change 3. Okay, that's good. Or we can change these 2 for slow animation. Nice. And then select this layer object 2 and object 1. This is house and back trees. Let's link to ground. Okay, we can select this object 2. Let's press P, make new pattern keyframe, go to last keyframe, and move to the left a little bit. Nice, and select this object 1, press P, make new pattern keyframe, go to last keyframe, and let's move to down these trees. Okay, let's go to last keyframe, move to up a little bit. Okay, so in this time let's close keyframes and select these mountains. Let's see, okay. Let's press P, make new passing keyframe, and go to last keyframe. Let's move to down. Let's see. Let's move to up a little bit. Okay, not bad. And let's close keyframes, select this layer cloud 1 and other clouds, cloud 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's press P, make new passing keyframes and go to last keyframe. Let's this move to right and layer cloud 2 move to left, cloud 3 move to right, and cloud 4 move to left. Let's see. Nice. And go to back, close keyframe settings and select these background clouds 1 and clouds 2, press P, make new passing keyframes and go to last keyframe. Let's select this background cloud 1, let's move to down, and cloud 2 move to down. Let's see. Okay, nice. And let's select this T1 and let's go to pen behind, move the anchor point down, click selection tool, press R, make rotation keyframe. Let's change rotation 3 or 6 and go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down on the keyboard for go to 10 keyframe and change this -6 or -4. Go to 10 keyframe again, select first keyframe, copy paste, select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, this is very fast. Let's select keyframes, hold alt, move to right, and let's hold alt, click this time icon, go to play button, property, and use loop duration. For down expansion, click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, this is very again fast. Select keyframes, hold alt, move right. Nice. So let's go to FX presets, search effect wave, and select this wave warp. Let's use for T1 and change like this. Wave high. Let's see. Okay, change this. Change 60. Okay, this is very fast. Change wave speed 0.1 or 0.8. Let's try change 0.3. Okay, nice. So right now select this bird and let's go to solo. Let's zoom to here and go to puppet pin. Let's add one puppet here, one here, here, and here. So in this time, go to 3 keyframe, 1, 2, 3. Change bird wings like this. Go 3 keyframe, 1, 2, 3. Change wings like this. Go 3 keyframe, 1, 2, 3. Change again like this. Again go 3 keyframe, change like this. Let's press N, let's animation. Okay, so let's select this bird, press U for see active keyframes, select keyframes, Ctrl C, Ctrl V for paste. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes again, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's select this here, let's select work area. Okay, so let's unsolo. Let's see. Okay, nice. And select this bird. Let's right mouse and pre-compose. Add the name bird. Click OK. And press P, make new path in keyframe. And go to here. Let's move to right. Let's move to left. Nice. And in this time, let's move to up, and here move to down, and here move to up. Okay, not bad. So select this bird, let's Ctrl D, press P, and let's click here for close keyframes, and let's move to here, make new path in keyframe, go to last keyframe, move to right. Let's see. Okay, and here let's move to down, and here move to up, and here move to down, and here move to down again. Nice. So finally, let's add lens. Let's go to layer, new, and adjustment layer. Go to FX presets, search effect lens flare. Let's use for adjustment layer. And select this adjustment layer. Let's move to here for sun. Okay, select this adjustment layer. Let's link to fake camera. And make flare center keyframe. Go to here and change sound like this. We can change brightness. Okay, nice. So friends, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.